all the way down into West Texas. And yes, higher elevations there, but there's enough cold air at the surface and aloft to produce significant snow, and of course, snow in Mexico.
You can start the vlog any way you want. Capitan, Bastos. Almost not big enough. Monday night at 7 p.m. and I'm headed home from work finally. It's been a long day. Presentation went well, but there was a lot of other work that had to get done today, especially since I'm traveling Thursday, and so a bit of a challenge. But hey, it's all right. Overcoming challenges is what we do.
Emotion. You got you got, oh, don't you know?
Texas, Houston, Texas. I was all excited because it was going to be warm, nice out, beautiful, and it has snowed for the first time, and the one guy said like 20 years.
But so far we're seeing snow in places we usually don't see it. San Antonio picking up a couple of inches of snow, the fourth snowiest December day on record. In Brownsville, Texas, they saw snow for only the third time in 119 years. How about that? But the snow, coming down and melting and creating some big puddles. Meanwhile, a look at Houston. Don't see this every day or every morning or every night for that matter. Snow's covering plenty of yards in the area. Officially just under an inch of snow at Houston Intercontinental. It's the first snow since December of 2004.
The hotel is having a rough time generating enough heat to keep the place warm. It's 33 degrees in Houston, Texas. That's pretty rare from what I understand. And I thought it was going to be great to leave Ohio, where it was 30 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and go to Texas, where it was 75, 80 degrees Fahrenheit. And now it's 33 degrees Fahrenheit in Texas while I'm here. I didn't know I had that much power. So I've got a few things I have to do today that I cannot take you with me on. These are the things that can't talk about. We'll see what happens, but I'll see you this evening. We'll go from there. Rock on. Well, here I am. It's 12:30 Sunday morning in the a.m. It just became Sunday. I have been traveling for 19 hours as of right now, and I have an hour to an hour and a half to go home. So it'll be between 20 and 20 and a half hours to get back from Texas because of iced plains early this morning. Whew. It'd be nice to get in my bed, get a shower, get to bed, because it's been a long day. It's Sunday morning. It's time for the vlog. During my travels, I faced a few challenges. I got to spend a lot of time in Dallas-Fort Worth Airport getting to know it well because I missed a connecting flight. Got no woman, got no home. Got no woman, got no home. Got a big old house, got no home. Got no woman, got no home. Gonna ramble and a roll. Got no woman, got no home. Got no dreams, they're all gone. I got to sit on a train that drives all the way around the airport. Moves a lot of people. I was thinking of Tristan.
Well, here we are. We've parked at Wilson, and we're gonna go catch ourselves a bus to go downtown. We're on the Max.
Yes, we are.
Next stop, Southeast Onsey / Southeast Water. Did you enjoy the outing, Papa?
I sure did. Did you, Tristan?
I did. Let's see you next time.
At that point, because I know he loves public transportation. And yeah, I eventually got home, but it was 2 in the morning. So I'd been traveling for about 21 hours. That's the short version. Maybe the Capitan will show you what really happened. Remember that I love you. Take care of yourself. And rock on.
Emotion, 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 emotion. You got emotion. You got. Oh, don't you know?
Let's start over. And yeah. That's the short version. The Capitan will show you what really happened.